Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the views in the MS project and how we can use it and what is the usability. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So let's start friend. Right now we have already entered a simple project plan. Let's assume that you are making basically project of software like which has simple tasks like planning, software development, quality assurance, user acceptance testing and production deployment. Now we shall see that what is the usability of views tab here. Friend, if we talk about views, we have task view and resource views. These are the main section in the views. Task view we have already discussed in the previous video, which we can see in a separate video. So today we shall more discuss about resource views which are available. So friend, when we talk about resource view, we have mainly the resource view. You can get it from here. This, if you click here, it will show you these resources which are available in the resource sheet: James, John and Tom. We have already entered these resources just to save the time. So this is the resource sheet. Now if we talk about the other view, is resource usage view. Now resource usage view means when we click here, okay, so it is showing me that these are the resources available, okay, and uh, like these are the resource usage available and these are the unassigned tasks. That means these are the tasks which are available in the project plan but resources are not assigned. So what I will do here, I will go here in the Gantt chart view and I will assign few resources. Let's assume you can like that, okay, and I will assign quality assurance the task. 1 minute please. So I will assign the task or the here, from here I will assign the task this, okay. I will close it. So you can see I have assigned that resource James to this task, and again I will assign John to this task, okay. So I have assigned two resources, this there, and then now I can see the resource usage from here, okay. It is showing me like the usage of resources here, okay, and you can check, okay. This is showing me that this is the usage of resources, Janes and Johns, etc., and this is the John, okay, and this is the Tom, etc. So in this way friend, basically you can check, you can view the resource usage as well. Now the other usage, other sheet is resource. If I click on the other views, this is the resource graph. So here is the friend, it is showing me the, for example right now it is showing for Tom. If it is over allocated, it will show you in the red graph, and if it is in the blue, that means it is allocated, okay. So this is the basically very good sheet friend. You can use it for to check the resource usage. Why? Because friend, if whenever you want to allocate, you can check the resource usage, and if it is over allocated, that means there is a resource labeling required, and you can assign it, you can change it accordingly as well, okay friend. Then the other view available, if we go in the back, here in the sheet, the another view is detail view, split view section, detail view. If I click on that, see the detail view will pop up here. In the detail view you can see that whenever I move the tab, okay, so it will show me the resource, it will show me, it will move as per the task view actually, okay. So these are the tasks like planning, software development, it is showing as per the basically task view. If you can also change the view, for example if you click on the resource sheet here, so it will move as per the available resources here. Okay, for example, if I click here on the quality, it is showing me James. If I click here, it will showing me the John. So it is showing as per the available resources which are assigned. So you can customize it, you can change, like for example you can do like that, or you can change the direction here as well. So whatever the view is comfortable for you, whatever the view you think that it is suitable for you, you can use it accordingly. Similarly, another important view available is the calendar view. If you click here in the task view section, if I click like that, so see from here it is showing me the task and duration and the resources as well. It is a very important view because calendar view is in a whole, you can see it accordingly. Also friend, there is a option available, zoom in, zoom out, you can use also. If I click here for example this, and there is an option available of zoom. So if I click here like that, it will zoom out. Okay, so you can also zoom in, zoom out, and you can use this option of zoom in like that and like that as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video, and I think that it could be, I hope that this video would be helpful for you. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.